My master Swami Shivanji Maharaj says, key to relationship is serve and love. Give and purify. Meditate and realize is a relationship ultimately with the absolute realization. But when we are walking on the floor, do you look to the left or the right? I'm not here to criticize anyone, but in Gujarat there is a tradition when an Annakuta is there, you go for a darshan, 50 rupiah, 100 rupiah lakhao, then Mukhya ji will come within a week or 10 days and give some prasad to eat home. This is a tradition. My master has not taught to me. He says, nurturing a relationship with the last person who is having a God in his heart. And where the God is there? My ashram is having a Ashtalakshmi temple, Amba. Now, in case I want to keep my mother happy, not my mother, someone's mother happy, how she can be happy? If I love the children. If I love someone's children, mother will be happy. So whatever Annakut we make, not we make, it happens. દિવાળીની રાત્રે જુવાન છોકરાઓ છોકરીઓ બેસે કિલો મિઠાઈ કિલો ફરસાણ બેસતા વર્ષની સવારે 1500-1800 લોકોને એ ઝૂંપડપટ્ટીમાં જઈને આપવાનું. Because it belongs to them. And Times of India always write, food court of a downtrodden. This is our relationship. Nurturing. It reminds me in a poem of the Tagore. It's in Bangla. I will try to translate it in English, that what's okay. Birds came on the tree. In saying so, look, because we come, you look so beautiful. The bird says, keep quiet. You come and go away. We are here, we are blooming. Tree is beautiful because of us. The leaf said so, hey you are coming only in season. The tree is green because of us. The branches say, if we are not here, how will grow? And the stem says, look here, entire weight is coming upon me. And you are singing your own glory. And the title of the poem is a Jadaki Muskan. A root has given only a smile. If I will come out to make some comment, whole joy of the living will go. Nurturing relationship, you have to nurture relationship with the root, not a superfluous. In all condition, I am bliss, bliss, bliss absolute. Har haal mein al mast, sachidananda hu kaivalya, kevala kutasthanandu. This is the reality. Seek that. Find that. Will enter in that. Very, very, very common, filthy thing I will tell you. Not to praise myself, it's an indecency. But तुम कहते कागज की लेखी, मैं कहता आंखों की देखी, मैं कहता अपनी अनुभव की कहती. Every day I have to go through number of people in number of ways. Here is a Yagnesh Bhai. His elder brother is a Shresh Bhai of a Sahitya Mudranalaya. Their father was a great devotee of our ashram. Every year he used to pray, Vishnu Prasad Bhai, 3,000 books, 4 titles. 12,000 books will come to Shivananda ashram. We print a book, we give to you, you sell and do it. One day, my master asked me, Adhyatam, Ji Swamiji, is there any special engagement of yours? No, Swamiji. Then 2-3 days you go out with me. He never narrated where we are going. After coming Delhi only told, telephone to Das Kaka, we are coming. No one should know, even the wall even, that we are coming. We arrived at the night. And then Swamiji asked me, do you know Vishnu Prasad ji ne which hospital? I don't know, Swamiji. Das Kaka, he never knew. Even Patni Sahib, don't tell we are here. Say, Patni Sahib, come. There's some essential work. Then Swamiji was taking a cup of tea. ऐसा छोड़ के गया. कहाँ? आपका Kaya hospital? VS hospital. And then Yagnesh was not there. No, Shreyas was not there. No one from the family. Then they were taking a stretcher inside the operation theatre. Swamiji brought it out, keeping hand upon his heart, kept on praying and praying and praying and praying. Then we came back. The evening flight, go back. इतना करने के लिए ऋषिकेश से आया. क्यों? This man has done so much of service to Guru Maharaj and his mission. Being my Guru's disciple, I should pray for this man up to the last breath of his life. And this particular thing, Yagnesh and Shreyas, up to today's days also, they are our well-wishers. Relationship is not should be, as I have told you, a chichro nahi vyawar. Hoke chal de niviyanu rab milda. Punjabi said so. Just try more and more humble, more and more simple, more and more kind, courteous. Nothing is impossible. Nurturing will come by itself. You are not to run behind making a relationship. Relation will come to you. That Pundarik was giving his service to his parents. Mother is here and father is there. He was shampooing their heads. And by seeing such a sincere devotion of this young clade towards the parents, Bhagavan comes to see him. What nurturing relationship. Abhanga said so. Sundarate dhyana ubhe vitavari sundarate dhyana kar katavari thevuniya sundarate dhyana. It is not the Pundarik is going for the darshan of the Vittala. The Vittala comes to have a darshan of the Pundarik. This is a nurturing relationship with the joy of the living. Now, the third part of my sharing, you can nurture a relationship with the rest of the world. Do you find some time to have a relationship with your own self? That is very essential and very crucial question. This afternoon we had one so-called nature cure doctor, such a heavy body, she cannot walk, she cannot talk, she can't stand, she can't sit. And just 3 weeks before her daughter came all the way from America, Mummy, you can't stay here all alone because your very strange attitude with the people who comes to start. Come with me to America. And she has come back. Daughter said, Swamiji, every day she will telephone to the whole world from there, Mane pache le jao, pache le jao, pache le jao. I have asked, Tame nature cure na doctor cho? Ha. To avi avastha kem thai? The daughter says so. E to bijane keva mate. Nurturing the relationship, the joy of the living, dive deep in the recesses of the heart. Cheap ma moti nahi. There are many diamonds and gems are within your own self. It is all up to you. How to do? There are a number of points the Patanjali said so. Patanjali said the very first thing, Atha Yoganu Shasanam. In our ashram we are having 3 pandits. And now the new building has come up, so we requested people not to park their scooter here and there. They have to go and park a scooter in the parking. And one of the senior pandit, he parked a scooter on a ramp where people are supposed to enter. So I can see in the camera. I told Pandit ji, scooter kahan hai? Maharaj ji, park kiya hai? Oh, teri park wala. Utha. You see, discipline is the first and last. And the self-discipline. Atha yoga anushasanam. Yoga is not a circus, it's not a headstand. Anushasana, a discipline with the self. And what is that? Anushasanam, yogas chittavrati nirodha. Unless and until you develop and control your wavering mind. The mind is divided in 4 layers. You see, Mukesh Bhai is a Mukesh Bhai. Mukesh Bhai is a past president of AMA. Mukesh Bhai is a golden tongue orator. Mukesh Bhai is a so-called columnist of Times of India. Then is a Mukesh, is this, or is a husband of some lady, or a father of some. He is everything. How it can be? Due because of the relation. So what is mind? When thought comes and goes, is a mind. What is chitta? The thoughts comes and stay is a chitta. Then what is a buddhi? When you make a question, is a buddhi. Then what is ahankara? What I say is that. What do you mean? This is ahankara. Manabuddhi chitta ahankara, that the yogas chitta vritti nirodha. That nurturing a relation with the self, you have to trim something, and that's the first is the ego. Nurturing the tree, I have to take away a leaf where some unwanted things are creating the problem. Jivda padi jaye to dawa nakvi pade. If I have to keep a relationship to having a joy of a living with them, very essential factor. Yogas chitta vritti nirodha. Is it possible? Yes. How? Every day, repeat with me. Every day, systematically, scientifically, regularly, without fail, with interest. અમારે ઘરે આવશો? સારું, આવશો. અરે બારા બાપ, મોઢું તો સારું રાખ. This is with interest. Sato nairantarya dirghakala paryanta satkara savito dradha bhumi. Sato nairantarya sada nirantar hari guna gav. Constant. In a Shiva temple you must have seen, they keep one pot on the head. That water comes up, ticky, 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 ticky. You take one shower in the morning, one shower in the evening. What is wrong with this Shankaryo? All the time having little water in the head. Continuity. Constant. Nurturing is not a one-day affair. It's not a Christmas. No. Constant, continuous, absolute awareness of the awareness. Jagrat ma jagrat. Sapna ma jagrat. Susupti ma jagrat. Panjagrat. That can nurture relation. Then only the happiness is there. Yogas chitta vritti nirodha. Then how? Sato nairantarya. Constant. Now what is this? How to do it? They say so. Then you find out a way of living. If you don't do any asana, pranayama, dhyana, meditation, down to the earth, Patanjali is saying so, cultivate these 4 in your life. Number 1, Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upeksha. Maitri, Karuna, Upeksha, that says so, Punya, Apunya, etc. Very, very interesting how to nurture relationship in the society. Those who are like-minded people have a friendship with them, Maitri. Then those who are downtrodden have a karuna, patience for them, love for them, service attitude to them, to think what you can do good for them. Karuna, mudita. If someone is doing good, you should feel happy. Huh? In a neighborhood, someone is bringing a Lexus car. Then koi puchega, kahan rehta ho? Are you come to my society? Where you find a Lexus? I am there only. Is it so? Lexus? Of course. You are in a neighborhood. That's all. Kahan rehte ho? Are wo rehta hai na lallu. I know is Miyan Bibi kya karte rehne do. What is this? This is not an attitude. Having a positive thinking for a nurturing relationship. Remember one word. Repeat with me. Think positive. Rest will follow. But we cannot. We find a fault. કેમ ટાટિયા લાંબા કરીને બેઠી છે? બેસ વાંધો નહીં, થાકી જઈશ. બેસ વાંધો નહીં, થાકી જઈશ, સિટ કમ્ફર્ટેબલી. તો મને તમારું ધ્યાનમાં રહેશે. ધીસ ઇઝ વોટ એ થિંક પોઝિટિવ. Anyone has got problem. In my class also, ભાઈ તકલીફ હોય તો પગ લાંબા કરીને બેસો, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. એમ જ બેસ તો કેટલી વાર બેસે એવું કરીને. કરુણા, મુદિતા. Something is happening. Feel happy. Appreciate it. Give applause. Rabindranath Tagore, when receiving a Nobel Prize, just in the front of his house, one guy used to sit like this. Like this. Eating, chewing tobacco pan, eating. People comes with a shawl, flowers, bouquets, greeting Ravi Thakur. And this guy, when everything was over, after 1 month, 40 days, Ravi Thakur took one big garland, one guldasta, and then one shawl, garlanded him. You see, you are my inspirer. Because of you only, I had this kind of initiation or inspiration to write. Because of that, I am a Nobel Prize winner. Because of that, I feel it's my moral duty to come and say thanks. Okay. এখন বুঝতে পারি যে তুমি ঠিকই পেয়েছো. Now I believe that you must get it. Not so. আমাকে যদি তুমি এসে ঠাকুর দাঁড় করো তো ঠিক আছে, বাকি তো খাপা. Because you garland me, because you give a shawl to me, you said because I am your inspirer, so now you are fit to receive. Otherwise you are lallu. What is this? No. Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upekshanam. There are some people in the society, you can't have any tolerance for them. Such hota hai. There are a number of people in this Samdad, they keep on coming and seeing me, talking to me. Swamiji, I don't know what to do. My wife is calm and quiet. Husband and wife, we both are very busy. But now every day, my mother's nature is changing. She is abusing my wife. She speaks all dirty words. Sometimes she is so restless. I don't know what to do. I told you both are doctor? Yes. Thinks he is a patient. You can't do anything. Give only love. Only love. Only love. Because in such condition, what will happen to me? We don't know. ये अपने आप को शहजादा मत समझो. When Aurangzeb was to die, the previous night Aurangzeb ki aakhri raat said, so Jebun-Nisa was there along with him in the prison, and he was so thirsty, and Jebun-Nisa brought a water, and the police comes and breaks that water pot. Drink now, like a lallu. Very, very difficult. What will happen the last breath, we don't know. So, when you want to have a joy of a living, don't think of a long nurturing. Try to live in each breath. If you enjoy, rejoice in your each breath, your living will be secure for happiness. Anandoham, Anandoham, Anandam, Brahmanandam, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam Brahma, Ekam, Evam, Aditiyam Brahma. It is if you are making sowing a seed of the happiness, then you will keep on reaping also happiness. Iski poonch kaatna, uska dima. I don't know how many of you had a charm of going to Punjab and seeing some Punjabi darji. And bolo, Papa ji, sui padao, anji jinni chao leo ji. If you ask a needle from pagadi, any amount of any size you will give. Papa ji, कैंची किते थल्ले जी. सीजर का है पांव के पास में, जोड़ने वाला सिर में है, काटने वाला नीचे है. If you bring the things together, then your relationship is fine. But you are backbiting. Scandal backbiting is no good. No, you can't nurture it. living with a joy, always give a joy and joy and joy. What you give, how you think, so you becometh. The Old Testament said so. Be happiness, ananda vero, give the happiness. They are not all the times that you can do good. Sometimes you repent also that I have not nurtured a relationship. Because before it becomes too late, with a kind permission, when Mukesh bhai ends with a Hindi, I also, आपसे हिंदी में कुछ बोलने के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूं. एक मां है, बड़ी दुखियारी है, विधवा है, एक आंख भी फूटी है, काले कपड़े पहनती है. लोगों के घर में जाकर बर्तन सफा करना, कपड़े धोना, पापड़ बेलना करके अपने इकलौते बच्चे को पढ़ाती है. अब बच्चा है, उसको मां का चेहरा पसंद नहीं. मां कुछ बोलने से चीखेगा, चिल्लाएगा. एक दिन बच्चा घर नहीं आया. मां 4 परोठियां सब्जी लेके स्कूल चली गई. मां आ रही है, देखे बच्चा दीवार कूद के चला गया. लोगों ने कहा अभी तो यहीं था. घर में आई तो लड़का बोला, तुझे देख रहे मेरे को घिन आती है, मेरी स्कूल में भी आ गई मेरी बदनामी करने. बेटे तू भूखा होगा ना, तू भूखा नहीं रह सकता, इसलिए तो रोटी लेके आ गए. चुप मर, मुझे तेरी रोटी नहीं खानी. But she kept on nurturing a relationship for her own joy of a living, making all possible hard workship to see that boy should study. And with all her sincere effort, she's seen that boy should not only graduated, post-graduated, doctorate, and finally the boy went to the Australia. मां के दिल में है मेरा बच्चा क्या करता होगा. सुना कोई गोरी लड़की से शादी की है, 2 बच्चे भी हैं. मेरे जीवन का सुख क्या है, मेरे बच्चे को मैं सुखी देखूं. कैसे भी करके पैसा जमा करके पासपोर्ट बनवा के टिकट लेकर के ऑस्ट्रेलिया चली गई माई. घंटी बजाए. घंटी बजने से 2 छोटे बच्चे दौड़ के आए, दरवाजा खोला. उन्होंने कभी ऐसी काली कपड़ी पहनी हुई, बिखरे हुए बाल, एक आंख में कानी ऐसी औरत देखी नहीं थी. दोनों चिल्लाए इतना जोर से. बच्चों की चीख से पति पत्नी दौड़ के आए. पत्नी तो जानती नहीं कौन, ये तो जानता था. उसने जोर से दरवाजा किया, यहां भी सुख से नहीं रहने देती है, मर. मैं कहानी नहीं सुना रहा हूं. मेरे यहां रोज आकर के राम कथा करने वाले हैं. मुझे सुनना पड़ता है. मैं कुछ करूं तो करना पड़ता है. दोस्तों, माई वापस आई. आकर के स्कूल, ओ मेरा बेटा तो इतना खुशी है, इतनी बड़ी कोठी में रहता है, उसकी गोरी मेम है, उसके 2 फूल के जैसे बच्चे, क्या सुंदर. मैंने तो स्वर्ग की बात सुनी, तो स्वर्ग में रहता है. सारे गांव में कहते फिरी. 2-4 साल बीत गए. गांव की छोटी स्कूल है, उसने भी डायमंड जुबली किया. अब 60 साल बना रहे हैं तो फिर कुछ नया करना चाहिए. तो एक बड़ा हॉल बन जाए, कंप्यूटर बैठ जाए, लेबोरेटरी बन जाए, क्लास 10 या 12 हो जाए. तो ऑल पुराने स्टूडेंट को लिखा गया. लोगों ने पैसे भेजे, उनको बोला अभी ये भी आया, किंतु घर में नहीं कहीं और रुका. मगर बेटा तो बेटा है, खून तो खून है. उसके दिल में खटक रही थी, जाऊं नहीं जाऊं, जाऊं. आया, देखा तो घर आधा गिरा पड़ा है, ताला भी है. पड़ोसी को पूछा, यहां एक कोई बूढ़ी औरत रहती थी? हाँ. क्यों? बोले हमने सुना उनका लड़का. हाँ गया ना. गया है। आप ये स्कूल में आए, हाँ, वो लड़का आया है क्या? बड़ा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है। हाँ आया होगा, मुझे पता नहीं, पता कर लेंगे। क्यों, क्या बात है? वो बूढ़ी मरने के पहले हमको एक चिट्ठी दे के गई है, उनको पहुंचाएंगे, जरूर पहुंचाएंगे। चिट्ठी ले लिया, 2 दिन नहीं खोला, फ्लाइट में चिट्ठी खोला। चिट्ठी में लिखा है, बेटे, मेरे प्यारे बेटे, मैं तुझे खुशी देख के बहुत खुशी हूं। तेरी गोरी चांद की जैसी बहू, फूल के जैसे परियों के दरबार से आए दोनों बच्चे, तेरी इतनी बड़ी कोठी। मेरे जीवन का मकसद यही है कि तुझे खुश देखूं। अब मुझे मरने के लिए कोई आपत्ति नहीं, मगर मरने के पहले 2-3 बात मैं तुझे बता देना चाहता हूं। तूने एक दिन मुझे कहा तू मरती क्यों नहीं? मैं कैसे मरती? अगर मर जाती तुझे पढ़ाता कौन? इसलिए मैं नहीं मरी। तुझे था मैं स्कूल में क्यों आई? अरे तू भूखा नहीं रह सकता इसलिए आई। और तेरे दिल में मेरे लिए घीने की मेरी एक कहानी है, मैं क्या करूं? तू तेरी छोटीपन में है ना, बहुत बदमाश करता था, ऐसे तीर चलाता था। एक दिन तूने अपनी आंख फोड़ ली। डॉक्टर ने कहा कोई आंख देगा तो अच्छा होगा। तो बेटे मैंने अपनी आंख तुझे दी थी, इसलिए मैं काढ़ी हूं। जॉय ऑफ लिविंग, जॉय, नर्चरिंग ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप है। जगत की कितनी भी आपाधापी के बीच में the concept, the cognition, the perception of the life, that how I can cultivate and continue this relationship in all ups and downs hour of the life. It is not always easy. It is not difficult also. What has been needed is a sincere effort in the right direction with the right person and the right people in the right time and the right place. मैं आपसे कह रहा था, the highest relations we should have with the self. महर्षि पतंजलि कहते हैं, यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यान समाधि. This samadhi can come through this all system. Yama and niyama, self-discipline, the social discipline. Asana pranayama, discipline of the physical level, discipline of the breathing. Then comes a sensus discipline, mental discipline, intellectual discipline. Then comes a cosmic discipline. But Patanjali is very kind. He said, so if you can't do all these things, then there's one more way also, shortcut. क्या है? ईश्वर प्रणिधानाद्वा. In case you can't do this yama niyama asana pranayama pratyahara, then you take a surrender to the Ishvara. আমি কিছু চাই না ছাড়িয়া চরণ দুই খানি. I don't want anything other than to have a touch of your 2 feet. Relationship है. Sudama and Krishna. There is no nurturing in the relationship of the Drupada and Drona. They were co-student. Drona went. When all difficulty to Drupad, we were student, you said so, I'll give my half kingdom. I don't want, I want only 1 cow because my son is crying for a cow milk. You get out. Who you are to say? Get out. That is 2 friends. Now Krishna and Sudama are the 2 friends. You know the story. Sudama comes there. By hearing itself that Sudama is coming, Krishna runs and giving a hug. By seeing his cracks in the feet, देखी सुदामा की दीन दशा, करुणा करके करुणानिधि रोए, पानी परात को हाथ छुयो नहीं, नैनन के जल सो पग दोए. This is a relationship. And is a happiness. I want to divert a little more. One day Krishna was relaxing. Rukmani is a fanning. Then Rukmani said so. Prabhu, Radha came in my dream today. Radha? What she was saying to you? No, not. She didn't say anything to me. It is, I was asking. What he was asking? Here we are, 16,108. Still we see, प्रभु मायूस रहते हैं, उदास हो जाते हैं. What? देवी, तुमने कहा मायूस हो जाते हैं. Then what happened? What happened? राधा कुछ नहीं बोली. उसकी आंख से 2 आंसू गिरे. राधा की आंख में आंसू. Krishna fainted down. Imagine, it's not a story. It's a nurturing a relationship of the joy of a living, that any one of my near and dear has a problem. It is not problem to them, it is a problem to me. It is not that 2 sides. No. Whatever I see and perceive is me only. ईश्वर सर्वभूतानां हृदयेषु अर्जुन तिष्ठति. बड़ा मुश्किल है. सब मेरे साथ में है. सुदामा की बात कहेंगे. Krishna take care of it, and then next day Sudama has to go. When he was to go, Mother Rukmini, Jagat Janani, Jagadamba, Raja Rajeshwari, asking Prabhu, when he came, by seeing the condition of it, you were shedding tears. Why can't you give me a pair of shoes to go? Imagine the Krishna saying, Nahi Devi, me and thou, my elder brother, we used to move in Vraja with a barefoot. Because of that, the Vrajaraj has become a holy Raj. But now there is too much of sin in a Dwarka. If this Pavitra Brahman walking in my Dwarka with a barefoot, my Dwarka will become Pavitra. Let him walk. Imagine. This is a relationship. Rama comes to the Shabari's house, in the Matanga Rishi's ashram. All sages and saints comes and saying, oh Rama, this Pampa Sarovara is being cursed. We are not able to use the water. We know your holy feet are Surasari, the Ganga comes from there. Why can't you go and have a deep there? You know the Ram saying, so I'm walking since Ayodhya. I don't know which are all places I walked. There is no strength in my feet to make this holy. If this Shabari will have a deep in the water, this water will become a holy and utilizes. This is a nurturing relationship. कैसे होता है? If you are sincere to the cause, Sabari kar rahi rasta saaf, mere ghar Ram padharenge. It was not cleaning the road, she was cleaning within herself. Some very interesting way someone is putting this matter, the nurturing the relationship between the Lord singing and me, says, Kaun kahe ke Shabariye bor chakhya ta. Boradima bor todata. બોરડીના કાંટા આંગળીમાં વાગ્યા હતા. કોણ કહે છે કે શબરીએ બોર ચાખ્યા હતા? લોહીના ટસિયા ફૂટ્યા હતા ત્યાં. એ લોહીને કારણે જ બોર મીઠા લાગ્યા હતા. કોણ કહે છે કે શબરીએ બોર ચાખ્યા હતા? Too much of outing. Dive deep in the recesses of the heart. Cultivate a relationship with the self. Find a time for the self. Find some time. Swamiji, it's so difficult. What time do you get up? Some 7:30. Get up half an hour earlier. What time do you sleep? Some 10, 11 o'clock. Sleep in half an hour later. What is to be done? Sit in a silence. What I am supposed to listen? Nothing. What I am supposed to see? Nothing. What I'm supposed to speak? Nothing. What to do? Just be with yourself. But mushkil hai. Magar karo. Just try to sit in a silence. Keep your mobile far. Put all fans off. Shri Ramakrishna Paramahansa said so, Moshari Kode Boshun. Put a mosquito net, switch off the light and sit. People will think you are sleeping. Sit. Friends, every day, start with a 20 minutes only, twice a day, 20 minutes. What we are supposed to do? Nothing, just still, just still. Nurturing is very difficult because the first day you will be sitting like this. This all will happen. No problem. Start. Charai vaiti, charai vaiti, charai vaiti, charati charto bhaga. Jadi keu na ashe tomar sange tumi akla chalo. You just keep on walking. Bhadarvi, Purnima, thousands of people they go. Keep on walking, you will reach. Keep on practicing, you will achieve. Knock the door, you will open. Straight. Because when you keep your body still, your prana will become quiet. बोलो बैठत 12, चले 18, दौड़े में 20, काम क्रोध में चले 72. बैठत में. The more you sit in a silence, just still your body, don't do anything. Your prana becomes calm. Your respiration becomes quiet. With the respiration, your mind becomes calm and quiet. Senses will not irritate. Chitta vritti nirodha will be there. Then you will understand the value of the life. Who is the Ishvara? Patanjali said so. A person who is never irritated, who is not agitated, is never been disturbed, has never been perturbed, is absolutely detached from anything what's happening, a sensual person, he is a Ishvara. Ishvara is not a Sangachakra Gada Padma all the time. No. Ishvara can come in any form. One day my master, he decided to go to the yatra of the Tunganath, Gurudev Swami Chidanandji Maharaj. Tunganath normally by 21st, 22nd, 23rd November is closed, but he decided to go. Landing in Rudraprayag, सर्दी में जल्दी अंधेरा होता है पहाड़ में. So seeing one temple is there, he kept his footwear there, लाठी, and then बस्ता रखा उधर. मंदिर में गया, दर्शन किया, बाहर आया तो कोई प्रसाद ले गया. चप्पल गुम, लाठी गुम, कपड़ा गुम. Pujari says, better you go and spend your night in a police station. Morning he started walking. Around 3 o'clock or so, he don't know where to go now. Luckily, when shepherd was passing through with his gods and all, then he said, Baba, kaise jana hai? Tungnath. Arre, galat aa gaya, dekho. He put some grass, he removed, he said, is arrow mein jao. ठीक है. But where to spend night? Baba ji, gadda ढूंढ के उसमें सो जाओ, ठंडी कम लगेगी. So he has to find out some pit and sleep like this. It was difficult, but he slept. And after some time, maybe an hour or two or so, he realized someone is putting a big warm blanket. He was so happy that the warmth is coming. Then he had in his mind, let me open the blanket. I keep half down and half up. When he slowly opened the eyes, it was a wild wolf. So he said, let me enjoy its company, let it enjoy my company. Nurturing relationship. For a joy of a living. Swamiji, my master, he narrated all these things in a Gangotri when everything was covered with snow. We were sitting on rock. I have asked a stupid question. Swamiji, जब सब कुछ तो बर्फ में ढक गया था, फिर आप भगवान का दर्शन कैसे किए? वो तो रात में दर्शन करके दे के गए थे। क्या बोला है? तमे दर्शन केम कर्या? ये तो रात्रि दर्शन आपीने गया ज हता। What is nurturing relationship? I am thinking of the God having a big bell and a drum and Mahadev, Mahadev, Mahadev. No, he can come in a wild wolf also. When you nurture a relationship, he not necessary to come always a bansi wala, yellow silken robe, peacock feather on the top, blue boy of Vrindavan. No, he can come na jane kis vesh mein Narayan mil jaye. Just have an eternity, you will reach to the divinity. थोड़ा शांति से 1 मिनट बैठो. कृपया करके just keep your both legs flat on the ground. Both hands here like this, head, neck and chest in one straight line, and mentally pray for the peace, peace and peace. Let there be peace in the east and west, peace in the north and south, peace everywhere, peace within and without. Almighty Lord, O Father in the heaven, we seek peace, peace, peace. A bit of buzzing sound of the air conditioner is there. You just try to listen your own heartbeats. No more physical movement. Just try to listen your own heartbeats. Try to listen your own heartbeats. Take your mind to the inner wall of the nostril. The breath which is coming in, going out, it is touching to the inner wall of the nostril. Feel that touch. Feel that touch. Experience this touch. Slowly open your eyes and take out this paper. We don't have a big band of the music like Jeevan Darshan Maja making, but have this, enjoy with me. Abhinandan, Abhinandan, say Abhinandan, Abhinandan, Janma Divasana Abhinandan, bolo Janma Divas Abhinandan, Juga Juga Jivo Vala Narendra, Juga Jug Jivo Vala Narendra, Desha Premanu Lai Spandan, દેશ પ્રેમનું લઈ સ્પંદન. અભિનંદન અભિનંદન જન્મદિવસના અભિનંદન. રાષ્ટ્ર ઉષરંગે આંતરરાષ્ટ્રે સંબંધોનો લઈ સથવારો. મુક્ત ગગનમાં વિચરણ કરતા કૃતાર્થતાનો લઈ ભારો. અભિનંદન અભિનંદન અભિનંદન. કન્યા શિક્ષા મુક્ત સંબંધો વૃક્ષારોપણ સ્વચ્છતા પણ ઉચ્ચ હિમાલય સરહદો પર સ્નેહ કુસુમ કઠોરવલણ. અભિનંદન અભિનંદન જન્મદિવસના અભિનંદન. માતૃપ્રેમને માતૃભૂમિના પ્રેમ પિયુષ પીનારા. અદના વીર છો ગરવી ગુજરાતના. નરેન્દ્ર ઇન્દ્રને જગવંદન. અભિનંદન અભિનંદન અભિનંદન. રાષ્ટ્રને બાંધો એક સૂત્રમાં. યુવા સંપદા ના સંપર્ક. ભારત જનની પક્ષ લઈને જયકારો જગનું ક્રિંદન. અભિનંદન અભિનંદન અભિનંદન. હાથ કરો ઉપર. અભિનંદન અભિનંદન અભિનંદન. જન્મદિવસના અભિનંદન. જન્મદિવસના અભિનંદન. જન્મદિવસના ઓમ અભિનંદન. મુકેશભાઈના ટાઈમમાં 7 મિનિટ એક્સ્ટ્રા લેવા માટે ક્ષમા માગું છું.
Always, always, always a delight, સ્વામીજી. અને આપે કહ્યું અભિનંદન માટેનો આજે સંબંધોનો દિવસ.
યોગ સંબંધ યોગ.
દિલ્હીથી આવે માતૃવંદના કરવા માટે. આઈ થિંક તમે જે વાત કરી ખૂબ જ મજાની. મિત્રો, સ્વામીજીને આપણે અંતરના અભિનંદન સાથે તાળીઓના ગડગડાટથી વધાવીએ. અને દિવ્યેશભાઈ, રિક્વેસ્ટિંગ યુ ટુ પ્લીઝ કમ એન્ડ ડુ ધી ઓનર્સ ઓફ પ્રેઝેન્ટિંગ ધી shawl and our gratitude and greetings to Swamiji. And tomorrow evening, friends, we will meet again to talk about attaining real happiness in life. And that will be not from a Swami, a spiritual practitioner who talks about tax, be it GST, be it income tax, the Revenue Secretary, Government of India. Though he taxes you, I think tomorrow is the day when he will make you relax. So please, tomorrow evening at 6:30, Namaskar, Om Shanti, good night.